It's 500 miles from start to finish at the Indy 500, 250 from where one of the race's voices got his start. Michael Young is a Bowling Green alum from the class of '88 and an on-air personality from WIOT in the early 90s. How he wound up in Indianapolis and became known as the Track Dude is an unusual story, but how the IMS radio network team does what they do is anchored in tradition, carrying on nearly 70 years.
Never in a million years did I dream that I would be working here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. It was really a dream come true.
Wait a minute. How did this guy? No, not that one. Yes, this one. From this place.
Toledo's Rock 104.7.
And this industry, 2 decades in rock radio, wind up high above turn 2.
It was really a dream come true and a fortunate set of circumstances. I was part of iHeartRadio in 2006 and was one of the first to be let go. So I thought to myself, well, I better reinvent myself. And hence I started down this road of becoming an elephant ear machine away from being a carny. I did whatever it took to continue trying to be part of something creative.
Public address work led to an opportunity with IndyCar Radio in 2011. Now Michael Young is bringing the music of twin-turbo V6s to life for 300 national affiliates and listeners around the world.
When the sun shines off certain paint schemes, it really glistens, and the view from what I see in turn 2, you don't have that visual aspect of it. You're listening on the edge of your seat and imagining it. It's truly the magic of radio.
Yeah, it's the theater of the mind, there's no question. And our turn announcers, our pit reporters, we interject a lot of color, a lot of the pageantry.
Live from the Indianapolis Motor Speedway.
The Indy 500 has a marriage to radio. Sid Collins innovated flag-to-flag coverage in 1952, 34 years before the race aired on live TV.
For the greatest spectacle in racing, the Indianapolis 500.
It's helped make it the greatest spectacle in racing, and that phrase was coined on this radio network. A lot of people are going to continue to listen because it's part of the fabulous tapestry of this event.
Bringing on-track battles from their eyes and mouths to our ears and minds takes substantial work.
As a car goes by, I have to think of their name and not turn my head. So Pagano, Dixon, Rahal, Sato. I don't leave turn 2 until I call every car on that track without turning my head. You've got to be able to react instantly, and that's the hardest part about it.
On race day, it's all instinct, calling home the next driver to turn left towards racing immortality.
Simon Pagano trying to sweep the month of May and trying to go to eternal glory, winning his first ever Indianapolis 500. But Rossi is right there. He looks to the inside. When I sit at home getting ready for the race to think, my gosh, I'm part of this event, and that millions of people will be listening to myself, Nick Yeoman, Jake Query, Chris Denary, Mark James call this race. It's hard to even imagine that this is happening.
He's going to pull away from Alexander Rossi. Simon Pagano sweeps the mud. Twin checkers out.
There's a display that we have with everyone's name on it. Once your name's on there, it's on there forever. We're all very proud of that, and it's a responsibility that we don't take lightly.